training sessions, and I think so this must be the last session for SolidWorks, and today we are going to assembly in SolidWorks. So let's start with as usual apps anywhere, Queen Mary, and then we need to go and select download. So if you remember in last session we built a nut and bolt, and today we are going to draw a simple design for a wheel, single wheel, and then we will wheel assembly, and then we try to use assembly feature for to assemble the parts. Okay, so let's start working with SolidWorks. So let's start with SolidWorks parts, and if you remember, we made from our last session. Let's quick this one should be 19 millimeters or 20. Select OK, go to features and extrude it to 10, and then select OK. I'm repeating it so that if anyone miss it last time, you can just make it again. That, then cut extrude. So it should be 45, and then it should be something like that. From trim feature, yeah, like that. And I think 1 millimeter is fine. Select OK. So just to make it a little. So here we go, sketch again, and then because we are going to make M12 bolt, 5 millimeters down. So right in the middle. should be around 6 millimeters. The whole wizard, select thread, starting point, offset should be 3 millimeters, I think. Up to the selection is this face. Select these, correct sideways, metric dia, and then here we select M12 into this is the pitch and this is the diameter. 12 is the diameter times pitch. So this is the size. Cut thread, everything looks perfect. So we want to trim it off. And then we need to statue. And to cut. So here our bolt is ready. Now save these all step by step in name assembly week. Okay, this one is okay. So now I'm gonna create new part file, and here I will create a nut with similarly front sketch and visible those axes planes, and then start from here, and this should be features, extrude to 10 millimeters and select OK. And then this one, sketch, draw a circle, and then this circle, extrude curve, flip offset, and then this one should go 45 degrees. It's OK. We have to make it right, so I'm gonna just use it just to save my time. So since like so it's like that from both sides, so just make a hole, and then this hole should be of same size, should be 6 millimeters. Features and extrude cut, in, and now I will go thread, start point, see what happens with this one. Let's give it a little offset. The other side, like this, and this angle, and I think to then we need to select right size and turn into 5, but this one should be metric tab, and then we select OK. Is ready. So now save this one as well with the name. So this one is also saved. So now this is the one we did in our last session. So today's session we are going to build the other designs for our assembly. So let's start with new file, same part. Let's make the foundation first. So the foundation should be a plate or a square. Let's make visible the planes, front view, sketch. Then it should be a plate of let's make it center first. Hold and then add the relation coincident. Similarly, come here, select this one and then select coincident. So both are coincident. Perfect. So now give the dimension. This one should be 200. This one should be 1. So go to People's Extrude. Extrude this one to millimeters. So okay. And let's add some frame. Oh, sorry. Sketch to these ones. Increase the diameter to 15 and then select OK. Hit sketch. It will automatically apply to all the sides. So and also we need to create a hole in this edge. So the hole should be around like okay, so holes should be at 25 sorry 50 millimeters from the sides and 20 millimeters from the bottom. So let's draw a hole where we have to keep the same size, and let's keep this one to be should be or we can make it a little towards the side. So let's make it 10 less 40. Millimeters, and then height from here to here. Perfect. So now see if we can simply options are done, and then some sketch features, background, or we can edit it here. Select this sketch, but I don't have the images for this. I think the mirror. Select this dot plane and sketch. Oh, I understand, because we didn't extrude it. Let's first extrude this one. Go to sketch and some features, and then extrude cut. Select OK. Now let's try to do this here, and then first select this plane, like that. Also, we can add one more plane. This mirror again. Okay. So let's save this one as well, and then we can name it as our base. Design. Let's try out. Let's draw a wheel first. Power select OK. Something sketch. Let's draw something. Of wheel, I suppose, should be this radius is 50 millimeters. Okay. Features extrude. It has that. So let's make it a little tiny. Okay, so features cut, and then let's make 5 millimeters. Yeah. And also so let's make okay. Okay. try one more thing. I hope it works. And yeah, so the center and options. Let me just confirm that they are at equal distances. Let's do 5 here, and this one and this one also be right. And then features. Control. So it should be something like that. Let's hit OK. What? So sorry, we need to go wildcard. This axis. OK. Like that. Oh, we are still missing one thing. Let's move our reference geometry to to the half, which is, I think, oh sorry, this one distance should be not, the distance should be if it is 20, then I extruded it wrong. It should be more than that. Let's make it should be 15 millimeters in total. Yeah, okay, perfect. So now I need to mirror like this, and that's it. Okay, this here now as well. Okay. So this is our wheel, and don't forget this size of our extrude, because we are going to have this size, which is 5 millimeter of radius. So the dimensions are 20 millimeters. Just in total how much it is? Extrude should be 40. Sorry, so 20 is better. So 20 millimeters. scroll down. We have the 50 millimeters. Save this one as well with the new wheel. Okay, so now save this one, exit sketch, and we can increase its size a little bit, because I think this is too less. Let's make it 30. Yeah, I think that should be fine. And for our plane, we need to adjust the should be fine. Save it, and now we need to make a rod. Make the planes visible, and then unplane sketch. Go to sketch, circle, should be and so it should be yes, and then we gonna extrude it to 80 millimeters because we're gonna need it. Like, select OK, and now on the top we need to draw one more circle. It should be and we extrude it to and that's it. Okay. Now we can make this one fill it if you want. After go to the geometry plane and move to select OK. Okay, we need to apply the feature result. Select OK. Now save it with the name. Okay. So now we need to make brackets. So let's try new file. Plane, sketch, make the planes visible. Something. And then draw something like that. small dimensions. Okay, so let's do the dimensions, and the dimensions should be, this one should be 20 millimeters. Parsing, and then this one should be 60 millimeters. Let's make it as 10 millimeters. This one has 10 as well, and this one has 60 as well. Make it 15. Okay, so this is it. Select OK, and then exit sketch, features, extrude, and then extrude it to this. Okay, and let's increase. From 2 to 18 meters, so it should be fine. Sketch, and now we need to hold the surface. The hole should be somewhere here, and it should be 6 millimeters in radius, and from here it should be similar, and it should be 20. Let's make it 30. Yeah. Features here, extrude, sorry, not extrude cut. Okay. And make it on the other side. Yeah, and so I forgot to make these shapes round, so let's make it round. This one and this one, this one's this sketch like this, and sketch. It should be millimeters. So it should be fine. Okay. Position it. So its position should be from the should be C. Okay, because the wheel size is 50 millimeters off. So let's keep it to okay. Extrude cut. Okay. So this is our part. So let's save this one. I think this is complete. Yes. Let's save this one as brackets. Alright guys, so I did a little updates on alterations in the wheel dimensions. I made the wheel radius to 50 millimeters, and then the whole thing is 100 millimeters now, diameter of the radius. So because when I was looking into the whole design, it doesn't align with, like, the wheel was too small and the other things was too large. So uh, let's try to yeah, so these are the features which we never use, but if we want to change something, the colors or anything, we can make it here. So just because I never mention it, so that's why I wanted to just make it like that, and then you can select your color from here like that. Okay, and if we save it, of course it's gonna save. And let's one by one to all our. So the base is here. Let's make the base. So let's make the color of the base. Yeah, so color, let's make it something different than usual. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, I know the colors are not very good, but colors, wheel is done, base is done, and there was a bolt. So bolt and nut, we will make them of same colors. Let's make them copper this time. And let's make the color and this. Sorry guys, the colors are not very good, but we have limited options. And then this one, okay, and then save. And now we have what left? The rod. So let's make the rod in, or everything in black color. So yeah, so I think everything is done other than the bracket. So make the bracket in, okay, so now everything is done. Now start new file, and this time we are starting with assembly. So now because everything is open, so it already created the list. So we will start from the base and like that, and it is now our default. Okay, so let's start adding things one by one. So base is done, so now I will go with the brackets. So insert component and then select bracket, and then it appears here. So now what we need to do is we need to align. So we will go to mate, and then one by one we will select the it's our way to approach. So let's select this one and this one. So now you see that it is now automatically coincident. Either we can make coincident or we can make parallel, so it's up to us. So here are the constraints or mate types which we can give. So let's close this one so that we can see more clearly. So now we need to align the, also we will select OK. Now it will give another option. So what we want to make now, so we want to make this one and this one, select OK, and then other one is this one and this one. So now it is fully mated. So this is how we do it, right? Okay, so you see it is not moving now. So let me show you. Let's select OK, insert one more because we need two brackets like here. So when you move things, you can move it like that, but when it is fixed you cannot move it because you already made it all the constraints. So make sure when you are making, you move all the constraints. So let's make it coincident. Yeah, it is coincident, and but the directions is the other way around. So angle like that, we can change the angle, but sorry, I don't know what happened. Nothing happened. So let's do from here, and like that, and then okay, and then this hole should go here. This hole here, and that hole should be aligned with this hole like that. Okay, so now select OK. So now we are trying, it is not even moving. And now we will put bolt and nuts. So this is done. Insert, bolt, okay. Select face, and then sorry, go to mate, and then select this face. This is okay. You can flip the sides. Let's make it again because this is not right. So let's select it here, select this, and then yeah, we can use this one like this. and then what we can do is we can flip it. So of the bracket and flip it. Let's try one more time. Clear selections. Select this side of the board, select this one, and you want to make them coincident. Okay, let's do it one more time. Move this here. Okay, so select this face and then we select this top surface of the bracket, and then here this option will make it upside down, and then you select OK. Now it is not aligned, so we have to align this one and this one. So that is it, like that. And then we will go to select OK, and then we need to insert the nut. Nut should go to the other side here. So for this one we need to first mate this face to this face, and then we will make it upside down so that we can see it on the surface. Select OK, and now we need to make these ones and these ones. Because these are threads, so we need to make the threads, and sometimes it's like the upper threads and sometimes it's threads. That's how it gets confused. So sorry. Now select again this one and this one. Wait. Okay, so we will first select the face, and then we will flip. Sorry, it was already upside down. Like that. And then we will select OK, and now we will have to do the this one and so like that. Let's try it one more time. See if we can have another options for this. Yeah, this is one. Assembly exploded. Geometry assembly features. Okay. See if we can use this one. Mirror component. Mirror plane. maybe use this one. Component we want to both, and yeah. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah, we can do this. All right. Okay, that is good. See if we can like that, and then add the plane. So reference geometry plane, and then we can shift our right plane to E. Of course, it should be 25. Let's see if it is. Sorry, 25, something like that. Is it the middle? Oh, it's not the middle. Make it 20. Yeah, this should be the middle. Okay. Go to sorry, mirror component. Select this plane. Sorry, select this plane, and then go here. Select these mirror components. Then select OK. Yes, perfect. So if you notice, we have all the nuts and bolts rightly placed at their own locations. Now we have rod and wheel missing. So let's quickly go to the insert component, go to the nut bolt, rod is here, select OK, and then go to mate, and it's very hard to see because the color is not very nice. This one, and then select this. Okay, and then for the next thing, select this and select this. It will automatically come up to second position. Select OK. Right, this is done. Now we have the last option, which is we insert, go to wheel, and then in here, then wheel to attach wheel. It's not very complicated. Go to mate, select here, and then select this rod. Okay, and now what we can do is we can do parallel. Parallel. Oh no, it is taking a different parallel, so we need to make it maybe a tangent like that, and then we can give some trick. Okay, let's see this, and then for the next one, what we can do, we can give some dimensions from this part to this part. Dimensions should be 10. Sorry, it is not even selected. So this side. No, 10 is not good. Let's do it one more time. This one, 2. This one, 2. This one. See in here, should be 5. Select OK. Then again select OK. So now our whole assembly is done. Okay guys, so this is our today's session. Next session we are going to see engineering drawing, technical drawing. So let's save this one as well before we start full assembly. No, what should we call this one? Wheel support assembly. next session we will do engineering drawing and technical drawing from this assemble design. Okay guys, see you, take care.